This model kit review is of the Ridge Runner, and this is a 1/25th scale model by MPC. It's one of 4 in the collection of these kind of off-road cars, and there's some pictures of the finished model, some of the features, and these are the other 4. And there's the parts listing. So let's have a look inside at our parts. So first of all, we look at our tires. They've got some very wide tires. Look at that. We've got some Goodyear stamped on there. That looks very nice. And we've got some nice tread on them too. I feel like they're vinyl. And we're going to have a look at our body here. And it's nicely molded. It is warped, as you can see there. It's going to require some adjustment to get it back in line. And this bar is going to have to be removed. Didn't really do much for it, did it? But some little mold lines here that'll need to be shaved off. This is obviously an older kit that's been re-released by round 2. Let's look at this first here. Here are our wheels. And there's our steering wheel. You can see got some mold lines and flashing. It really is an old kit. Now here we've got our exhausts, and they come in 2 parts. They're glued together. Here's our engine and transmission. There's oil pan, battery, some more engine parts there, cam covers and so on. Here's the fan and our belts, and then we've got a little seat there with some flashing there. It's going to need to be sanded down. It does have the seat belts molded in. Over here's our firewall. We've got some parts of our chassis frame and bumper there. Here's our engine cover, the hood. It's all really old and going to require a fair amount of sanding to get these parts ready to use. This looks like well, that's probably part of our floor pan and chassis. Here is our actual floor pan, and got some rivet lines. There's the transmission tunnel. The seat will go there. We've got our pedal box, gear shift, parts of our roll cage. You can see here these this is the foam bumper parts. There is the rear axle, differential, drive shaft, some suspension parts there, more suspension parts, and radiator. You can see, obviously, like I said, this is an old kit. It's an old mold. So really these parts are not very well formed. Engine mounts there, there's the chassis. Let's have a look at our decals here. There are some nicely printed decals. Let's have a look at our instructions. So we start off with wheels, and to build our engine, finish up the engine. Got lots of additional parts here, carburetor, air intake and so on. We build our chassis with suspension parts, mount the engine and the radiator, and then our rear suspension, put our wheels on, then put the parts of the cabin on with our floor, our firewall, and then build our roll cage, and the rest of the parts inside the cabin. Not much of a cabin, this is a racing car. Roll cage goes on there, exhausts go on. That's our rear bumper. We put the body on, and front bumper and protective rails. So they want you to paint them blue and red, and then white. Cement is optional, I guess, if you want to have it so you can take it off. But yeah, that'll be a fun model kit.